Mercylion G153 OEM look dashcam for Buick installation. Remove the rearview mirror housing. Tear off the lens protective film. Then installing the G153 dashcam. Connect the red and black power cord. Leave alone the green wire, no connection. Hide wire. Pry open the fuse box bezel. Measure the corresponding terminals by multimeter. Connect the yellow wire end. Trim the red wire ends properly with pliers. Connect to the fuse box and tidy up the wires. Start the car. Test whether the recorder is powered on normally. Cover with the original vehicle cover. Installing a memory card. Install the fuse box guard. The dashcam is now installed.